Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss state level museums. Okay, so this is an important topic with respect to prelims examination और PSC हर साल एक नए क्वेश्चन पूछता ही है म्यूजियम्स को लेके. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get into it. So discussing our first museum, it is known as State Museum of Bhopal. Okay, so it was established in the year 2005. Okay, and earlier it was known as King Edward Museum. Okay, so ये क्वेश्चन PSC पहले पूछ चुका है कि what was the earlier name of State Museum of Bhopal. So it was Edward Museum. Okay, and it was established in the year 1909. So do keep these dates in mind. PSC कभी कभी पूछ लेता है. Now moving to next museum, that is the Central Museum of Indore. Okay, so few facts which we have to keep in mind regarding this museum are that this was declared a state museum in the year 1929 and earlier it was known as Nararatnam Museum. Okay, so ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है PSC की which museum is now known as Central Museum of Indore, और चार ऑप्शन दे देगा, उसमें से आपको एक ये भी रहेगा. ओके, एंड it was declared a central museum in the year 1965. Okay, so I have put in these years because these are important and major museums of MP, so just try to remember these years also. Okay, another one is Bahadalpuri State Tribal Museum. Okay, so where is it located? It is located in Chhindwara, and this is an important museum. Why? Because in our syllabus high priority is given to tribal, है ना, tribal and tribes. So do keep this in mind that this tribal museum is located in Chhindwara and it was given the status of a state museum in the year 1975. Looking at another museum, that is Rani Durgavati Museum. As we all know, Durgavati had predominant rule over Gadamandla and Jabalpur area, Gondwana area. Obvious, it must be located in Jabalpur. Okay, now Tulsi Museum, this is also an important museum, also sometimes referred as Ramvan. It is located in Satna. It was established in the year 1959. The dates are not that relevant, but just try to keep them in mind. Okay, and in the year 1978 it was handed over to the Department of Archaeology and Museum. Now this one, Ramayan Museum, or another name is Sakit Museum. This is situated in Orcha. Okay, Orcha is a very important town with respect to Madhya Pradesh, क्योंकि ओरछा में राम राजा टेम्पल भी है, वेरी फेमस राम राजा टेम्पल, जहाँ पे अभी भी भगवान को सलामी दी जाती है ना. और इट इज़ सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ रिवर बेतवा. वैसे भी आप ओरछा डिटेल में पढ़ोगे ही, सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So where is Ramayan Museum? It is situated in Orcha. Now coming to another museum, that is Maharaja Chhatrasal Museum. So Maharaja Chhatrasal Museum is situated in Chhatarpur. Okay, ये पूछ सकता है PSC because again Chhatrasal, this question can also be tracked to dynasties of MP, है ना. So वहाँ से भी क्वेश्चन उठाया जा सकता है, तो इसलिए that makes it all the more important. And it was inaugurated by Pandit Nehru in the year 1955. Again, a big name associated with this museum. Okay, so this is an additional fact and keep this in mind. Many artifacts of Chanderi and Kalchuri dynasty are stored here. Now seeing last two museum, one is Gujari Mahal Museum. It is situated in Gwalior and it was established in the year 1914 and inaugurated in the year 1920. These dates are not important, just try to keep the place in mind, that is it is situated in Gwalior. And last, Triveni Museum. Okay, so this is not so common and it is situated in Ujjain. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked the content, and if you did, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comments box which topic should I cover next.